race and just is started. We have Blue Chic Money Bank moving up by the rail. Magic U in the middle. Kimagure is running by the rail. Manpower comes next. Conquistadors Dream, Fire Prince, while Wind of Change is the early trailer and going along for the first turn. We have Kimagure by about 2 lengths. Money Bank in second. Alongside comes Magic U. Conquistadors Dream is running by the rail. Manpower, Blue Chic, Fire Prince, while Wind of Change is still racing in 8th. Down the backstretch they travel. We have Kimagure maintaining a length and a half lead. Money Bank running by the rail comes Conquistadors Dream. Magic U, Manpower, Blue Chic comes next. Fire Prince, while Wind of Change is still running less. Another part turn. Now we have 2 entries fighting out for the lead. Conquistadors Dream, Money Bank now about to throw the challenge on the outside, then followed over by Manpower. Then here comes Blue Chic, now coming into the race too, as they swing for home. Conquistadors Dream moving up now on the outside is Blue Chic. Manpower in the middle with about 150 meters more to run. Conquistadors Dream, Blue Chic moving up now on the outside and now saying it's my turn to take the lead, and finally it's Blue Chic, Conquistadors Dream, Manpower, Money Bank.